Hi students, I hope everyone's doing well. It was great to see everyone in class today. I'm just gonna touch on week 5. Make sure you complete the check-in if you have not done that. And also if you were not in class today, complete the Business Source Elite. And once you submit that, I'll go ahead and grade it. Also, there's going to be an assignment for a video response or a paragraph. Let me click on this link here. For this assignment, it's on the mind. It's going to get you ready for the mindset for the next week, the final week, and it's on evaluating news literacy stories, websites. You have an option of looking at the news literacy workshop or the websites and research workshop, and you could submit either a 2 to 3 paragraph essay in a Word document, or you can do a 1-minute video and submit that also. And the instructions are here, the rubric of the points. And also I do want to point out that if anyone has not completed a JSTOR assignment to complete that, that will close indefinitely for this Wednesday, so you won't be able to submit the JSTOR assignment. And I do want to remind you that that JSTOR citation is needed for the final weeks or the final works cited project. So that's under module 1, I believe. So final project, you're going to need a SMC library book, not fiction or textbook nor a children's book, an ebook assignment that you've already completed, right? You have an academic journal article from JSTOR, that's the other citation, one from US Newsstream, and we're going to do another citation for using the Google and the domain limiter.edu for education. There's more on there. There's an example here that you can look at, the works cited. So it's going to be works cited in Times New Roman 12 font, and it's double space throughout, you could see. And it's just those 5 citations. So one again is from a book, physical book, an ebook, journal article from JSTOR, a news article from US Newsstream, and a web resource using Google with the domain limitersite.edu. One more thing, under week 5, there is an extra credit assignment that is going to be on the CountryWatch Database. So you can click on that link. Again, that's under module 5. It's worth 10 points. So you're going to look for a country review, not an article. And you can watch this video. It'll show you how to locate one. I'll quickly touch on it. We're just going to go to the library's website. From here, go to database, C for CountryWatch. I showed this in class today, and select CountryWatch. And then from here, you're going to select Country Reviews, and then select the country that you will be filling out the worksheet for. Any country is fine. The CountryWatch assignment is due on Monday, June 28th. After that, no submissions will be allowed. Again, it's an extra credit assignment which is worth 10 points. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me.